everyone, today I'm going to cook egg fried rice for my husband dinner. It's very delicious. First, I add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then beat 3 eggs. So the eggs is almost ready. Then add 3 cloves of garlic and also 1/2 onion. And then I add a little bit of olive oil because it's luck. And then you have to stir it when the garlic and onions. You have to crack 1 egg. Add some 1 bag of frozen vegetables like peas and carrots. Then add rice. You have cold rice or old rice, you can do that too. But while my rice is must so you have to stir it well. This is my husband dinner. And then have the scrambled eggs, mix it. And a little bit of soy sauce, like 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce or oyster sauce if you have. And then a little bit of beef powder or beef stocks. And 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, white sugar or brown sugar. And also 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Now, our egg fried rice is almost ready to serve. We have to separate the clean plate. So I'm sure. Subscribe, likes, please share and leave comment. And don't forget to push the notification bell. So every time I upload, you always updated. Thank you to all my silent viewers, subscribers. Thank you for support. Please support my channel. Thank you so much. Subscribe. Now I put the topping egg, scrambled egg. I'm sure my husband is happy when he come home because she has egg fried rice. Thank you and see you my next video. Bye. God bless. It's look very yummy.